definitely she will see me, da. Today, definitely she will
Hey! Hey, hi!
Hey, Machan,
How's
so
it
long.
going? How is it going? You seem to be busy these days.
Yeah, da. I'm not like these two guys sitting over here.
Hey, leave them, let's go.
Jobless guys.
Idiot.
leave it, da.
Bro, we have been waiting at this place for the past 1 week, bro. But this girl, Tamanna, she's not even looking at us, bro. Bro,
Huh?
I just want that girl to look at us at least once, bro. Just once. But she'll never look at us.
Maybe it's because of you, da. I'm beginning to think that she may have acknowledged my presence if I were here by myself, da. That has to be the case, da.
Bro, you make lot of sense, bro. If not for me, you would have married that girl with 2 kids by now, bro.
Huh?
Dirty sneakers. Bro, she's coming, bro. Bro, it doesn't matter if she hasn't noticed me yet, bro. Because bigger miracles have happened, bro.
What you just gives me hope, da. If there's a chance she will notice you, there's a surely higher chance she will notice me, da. Tomorrow what time, da? Hello, my name is Juicy. Juicy, Tambi, Juicy. La, 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 la.
Bro!
Huh?
Bro!
Di. Careful, da. Careful.
Bro, today when I was about to step out,
Huh?
I heard the doorbell rang, bro. I know, bro. It's a good sign. Definitely Tamanna will look at me, bro. Yes!
How long did he drink for, da?
Why are you asking that?
Perhaps the longer he drinks,
Huh?
the better your chances.
Huh?
So tomorrow don't get the door
Huh?
and simply step out.
Huh?
It might very well be Tamanna at the door and asking you to marry her. Who knows?
Seriously, bro?
Poda fool.
Bro, is it just me or is she getting even prettier?
Do miracles really happen? I sure hope they do.
Who are they?
Cherry, what a game, man. I've never seen something like that, dude. Bro, but you're tennis pro, bro.
Oh, not that big deal, man.
Bro, don't be modest, bro. You came back from 2 sets down. I mean, who does that?
Well, look who's talking. I've seen you play golf and Tiger Woods may lose sleep if he watches your game. You're a natural.
Bro, but my game has dropped a bit now.
No, bro, I think it's because you set your bar so high.
I don't set the bar high, bro. You are the one who thinks he has lost a match. By the way, which you have completely dominated throughout the game.
Bro, who are these guys, bro? What the heck is happening?
Exactly what I'm wondering. Whoever they are. Why is Tamanna so impressed by them? This really sucks, da.
And then, if we had just won it by 4th set.
Anyway, bro, I'm gonna get going. I'm a little sore from yesterday's match. So, I'll go start practice for next month's Masters Trophy.
Bro, we have to do something else, bro. We are just wasting our money and time sitting here. Bro, do something fast, bro.
No,
Oh, yeah,
get some
yeah.
shots in.
Even I have to go, man. I have to find a storage space for my Grand Slam trophies. Anyways, man, bye.
See you, bro.
Yeah, see you, bro.
How can I ask one of them out? Should I go with the golfer or the tennis pro? Oh boy, what a conundrum.
Oh, hello. We should go this way.
Bro, did you hear that?
Yeah, sure, I did. You are referring to Tamanna's inner voice, right?
Yeah, bro.
We have to really learn these sports. It's never too late.
Yes, bro.
Come.
Mommy, daddy.
Auntie.
Help me, bro.
come in this way.
Bro, come bro, let's learn the sport, bro.
Definitely da.
Lift you, bro, please, bro.
உடம்பு dangerous, sorry da. Auntie.
Idiot.
Bye da.
bye.
See you.
Bro, they're coming, bro.
Huh?
Go ask.
Hey, you ask da.
Hey, you go ask, da.
Hey, why can't you ask da? Hey, better you ask da.
Hey, you look smarter than me, da. Go, da.
Guys.
Huh? Hey, better ask da.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, bro.
Lift me, lift
1 minute. Bro, my name is Sanjay and this is Raj.
Okay.
Hi, bro. Hi.
We have been interested in that girl, Tamanna.
Yeah.
But she has not even looked at us.
Okay.
Bro, I haven't seen you before, but you have impressed that girl from the day one. Is it possible to learn this golf tennis in a single day?
Shall I or will you?
Definitely, bro. We will not come in your way.
Yeah. We'll not come.
Okay. Oh, it's Tamanna, right?
Yeah.
She's cute.
Oh my god, these guys are so cool.
Oh yeah?
I hope they're available and not taken
Good
already.
go a little too fast. And
Yeah.
they sound like golf and tennis players.
I know.
You know how hard it is to find one
Yeah.
of
I
those?
would go JavaScript.
Then C sharp.
These guys are so easy to
Yeah.
find.
Who wants them?
I know, right?
Hey man, yesterday I watched you playing soccer. You played really well, man. You played better than Maradona.
Yeah. Hey, hi.
Hey, you.
Hi.
Odd.
Weird.
I'm not sure Cherry has even watched a game of tennis, first of all.
Bro, forget about me. How about Krish? Ask him how to spell golf. Or how many people you need to play golf.
I'm not following, bro.
Actually, we don't know anything about tennis or golf or any other sports for that matters.
Yeah, in fact, this is the only truth we've spoken today. Everything else so far was a blatant lie.
Yeah, give that. This is not even tennis racket, bro. See. Shuttle, bro. Shuttle racket.
Do you really think Tamanna cares about golf or tennis? They don't watch any of these sports.
We just need to sound cool, bro. That's all.
So we just need to read up on sports and speak about them in public gatherings?
Ah, exactly.
Hey, that's all.
Bro, last week you were playing rugby, bro. You were so cool and professional, bro. Last match you scored the goal, no, bro.
Your friend seems to be a fast learner. How about you?
Yeah, that rugby state level, I'm from international level and you is international level.
Sanjay, let's play this right and let's not screw up.
I think that is your mind, boys.
Yes!
Let's go.
Hey! Bro, pass the ball, bro. Bro, pass the ball, bro. Yeah.
Hey, you Madras Maradona, da.
Bro, you Rai, bro. Ronaldo, bro.
Yeah, you scored that day from half court, no, da.
Bro, you scored a goal from full court, bro.
Full quota. How?
Because I'm goalkeeper.
Huh? He is a better goalkeeper than MS Dhoni. Huh?
MS Dhoni. Isn't he a wicket keeper?
In his childhood days, MS Dhoni was a goalkeeper because of his teacher. You better watch MS Dhoni movie. Nice movie. Sushant Singh Rajput, very good acting. Best acting.
Chee. How pathetic. All guys are the same.
Coconuts. I feel ashamed falling for those guys yesterday.
And you guys have nothing to do in life, huh? And for God's sake, try to be honest. At least one day you'll find someone who likes you. And that day is not today.
Then tomorrow?
Or day after tomorrow?
Kill you guys. Come, let's go.
Hopeless.
Hey, Hansikada.
Rai bro, Ronaldo.
Madras Maroda na putkale.